Well, hello everyone. This will be a video of the Wheelock RSS 24 MCW. And this is going to be fire alarm test number 58. This is basically a Wheelock remote strobe, and this is the remote strobe version of the other Wheelock devices like the NS, the AS, the ZNS, or the Wheelock MT. So basically, let's take a look at this device. Here's your candela selection switch right there. Right now I have it set for 15 candela. And yes, I have the wires already hooked in. This one has the model number of RSS-24 MCW. And it's multi-candela, and this can run in the filter DC current or FWR operation. And it says do not remove the cover. No user serviceable parts inside. And it's UL listed. I know you can't really see it because the wire's in the way. So, let's stand this up. Alright, let's plug it in and begin the test. 3, 2, 1. As I said before, the strobe is set for 15 candela, so it's not too bright, but it is a little bit bright in person. When it's at 15 candela, it's not blinding. Since it's nighttime, we'll take off the lights up here. Yeah, it's not too bright, but when it's at 15 candela. Okay, let's unplug it and move on to the next part. And for the pull station part of the test, we're going to be using the Firelight BG12L. And I also have seen Wheelock devices with Firelight BG12Ls and stuff like that, and I've seen it a lot in buildings, and plus at my church I've seen these were added on the newer part of the building, and except they were Gamewell BG12s, not Firelight BG12s, which is very, very interesting. And anyways, enough with the yik-yakking. Let's activate it. 3, 2, 1. Get my Firelight key inserted into the lock. Alright, for a little bit more fun, let's activate it one more time. All it is a simple push in and pull down. Push in, pull down. Part of the handle hit the floor. How silly of me. Okay. Well, that was fire alarm test number 58 with the Wheelock RSS multi-candela strobe. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.